Here's a simple way to decorate the cake. Cover your cake with frosting. I've used a chocolate frosting. Stick a picture of choice on a cardboard or a thick paper as shown and cut in shape as shown. Place it in the center of the cake. You can cut out the extra cardboard to ensure that it stands firm on the cake. So this is how it looks. I have these chocolate buttons or gems, you can say, which I'll be using to decorate the cake. So these are the ones. So here's how you start decorating. Complete the yellow gown of the princess wearing yellow using yellow chocolate buttons. Similarly, you can complete the pink gown of the princess wearing pink using pink or red chocolate buttons. Follow this video to see how it's done. And here you're finished decorating the cake. Hope you liked my video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.